Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some kitchen organization, and this is my daughter Alexis, and she's gonna help. This is Taliana. She's gonna also help.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
This is some stuff that I got off Amazon. We're gonna be using these organization bins. This is little TT. She wants to be in the vlog too.
So, we are gonna work on medicine.
Honey, let's just face it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes up. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down.
Okay guys, so as you can see, we have a lot of things that came out of that cupboard. It's very random, so we're just gonna get to all the cupboards, and then after we'll show you everything. And then I've got my helper here, Alexis.
I'm gonna beat this mission.
Yeah, she's gonna beat this mission out. Okay, so these were only $16 on Amazon, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. And let's get to it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna pack my beautiful.
You're just trying to argue.
Hi guys, so as you can see, this cupboard is a bit of a mess. We're gonna get it tidied
Yeah,
with my super helper.
it's gonna be a lot of work. I think we need like a little bit because it is so messy.
Yes. Keep in mind, I have 3 kids, and they like to go in the cupboard and mess it up. Okay guys, I'm just filling everything in the cupboard. Oh, I forgot, I got some more bins for the vlog, just from the dollar store. we love to eat lentils and rice. And this is the other cabinet. It's looking nice. What I really want to get is a spice rack, so hopefully I can get that soon. so I just finished everything. Now this shows how it looks. Some snacks. And we changed the spices to in here, which I wanted to do for a very long time. Just haven't got the time. And I think that it looks so nice. But I do want to get a spice rack. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, and then we got some pasta in here, some rice, some coffee stuff. And then we got the towels, some bags here, utensils. I saw somebody do this on a vlog. I can't remember which one it was, but hopefully I can get it more organized. But for now, this will do. Looks pretty good. If you guys have any ideas, comment below. And then in here is some cereal. And the kids are gonna do crystal set. And I'm gonna get a new knife set. I saw a wood one and I think I'm gonna grab that. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our vlog today. Let us know what you would like to see. We hope you have a good afternoon, a good day, whatever time it is for you. And like and subscribe for more videos.
Bye.
Bye. Check out Fun Steaks.